Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna die doing this. I really am. Today, I just thought I saw a bug. It is 70 degrees here in Connecticut in January. Like, what is happening? Global warming? She is real. She's here. She's happening. I'm actually using my ring light as my tripod for once because I usually never do. And Gooby, I wanted to start doing more videos like this. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. Also filming on the phone because the camera, we have issues, and if you're a subscriber, then you know. But as part of 2020, one of the things I really wanted to do was get my life in order, which I say that every year. But this year, I feel especially different about it because I want to do more things and I want to be more happy. And I feel like this is going to be my year, like to just, I can't wait. I'm so excited. To start off 2020, I'm going to be doing 2 Marie Kondo style clean out videos. One being this right here. Okay guys, so if you do not know, I did one of these videos last year where I cleaned out my entire closet. So that's what we're going to be doing, except we're not going section by section. I'm literally taking all the clothes out. Like, I'm taking everything out that I can reach. Everything else above is mostly shoes and sheets, and I'm gonna shut this door because David's very loud when he... Ducky? Gooby, look, Ducky! She used to love Ducky. Now she's like over Ducky. It's fine. So basically, I'm going to be cleaning out almost my entire closet with the exception of the top shelf because I can't reach it. And this is going to be the worst thing I've ever done because I've seen girls do these videos and I've seen so many Marie Kondo. Oh my god, like my brain is just, wish me luck. Here we go. I'm still here. I feel like I'm moving out. Like, it's so weird. I've decided in the wake of me taking out everything out of my closet that I am actually going to be doing a doing a part 2 to this video with just shoes and bags because it is now almost 12:30 on a Sunday afternoon and I have to sleep here tonight and I don't want to mess. And I don't want to prolong this for like a week. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna get started right now. I have cleaned out everything out of my drawers except my underwear drawer because I just recently went through that one, as well as all my workout clothes and my bras and lingerie, like fluffy socks, like fluffy fuzzy warm socks, because I recently just went through all those drawers actually back in like December when I donated a whole bunch of bags of clothes. So I'm not going to be doing those, but I'm doing everything else. So there's a huge massive pile here you guys can see. You can't see here, but there's a pile that's pretty much up to my hips on me right here. We're just going to start right here and see where it takes us. The Marie Kondo style, as far as I understand it, is that you hold each item and just like, if it brings you joy, you keep it. If it doesn't, then you don't. We'll see, because there's a lot of pieces in my wardrobe, and you guys know my style is very all over the place. Like, I could be a bum one day, I could want to wear crop tops and high-waisted stuff the next day. I have like a very weird style. Like, I'm not just like an Instagram baddie, but goals for 2020. I'm not necessarily like really stylish and like blazers and all that. Like, I'm just in the middle. Like, I can dress up if I have to for like work and stuff or whenever, but besides that, that's it. I'm only going to point out a few things. And I also wanted to mention 2 things that either still have tags, are trendy. I am going to try and go to Plato's Closet and sell to them. Everything else I'm going to be actually donating again the end of this month. That Brothers and Sisters charity is coming around once again. Thankfully, an opportunity to donate some clothes to them again, which is amazing because I think that they are amazing for that. But my hanger's over here, so I'm going to make I have 2 clothes baskets here. One is going to be for, I know you guys can't even see this and you're probably like, well, this is so pointless because you're not even showing us anything. I have two clothes baskets here. One is going to be for clothes that I am selling, and one is going to be like selling / donating, and then one is going to be for clothes. I don't even know where I'm going with this. But basically, I'm going to make one basket for clothes that I'm going to be selling to Plato's Closet, and then one for donations. We have this, and shout out to the girl that told me to buy this, but I have to get rid of it because I haven't worn it, and it's just sitting. Still has the tag on it, so this, I love it too. It's all alien, it's so cute and pretty, but the tag is still on it. I paid $14.90 for this, and it's just a waste of money, so that's gonna be so much anxiety right now. And I'm gonna make a pile of hangers over here on the floor. So watch me go through this, shall we? Wait a minute, I didn't even think about where I'm putting clothes I'm keeping. There. And the other thing, I have to also say, the other thing with Marie Kondo is that you have to like say thank you to each piece. If you're getting rid of it, thank you. Goodbye. Since this is taking a long time, I will come back and update you guys. So I know this was like, oh my god, there she is. But we'll update you guys once I'm like halfway done with this so you can see the progress, because I feel like it's kind of pointless to keep filming me a fast sped up version of me going through clothes. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. I took my phone case off my phone again because it's turning black, because I don't know why. This was the phone case that David got me for Christmas time. I wear the Walmart leggings. They turn everything like this weird black color, so now I'm gonna have to go clean it again after this. But I wanted to show you guys the progress of what I've made. So the whole pile basically on the bed is gone, and I've been slowly putting things back as I've decided to keep them. And on the floor now, I just have all of this left to go through. And right here are two piles. This is stuff I'm considering taking to Plato's Closet. This is stuff that's just going to get donated. So far, so good. We're doing pretty good. But right now, this is what my closet is looking like. I'm actually trying to reorganize it a little bit. So all of my t-shirts that were here are now going to be in a drawer, because I mostly wear them for like to go to sleep in and lounge around the house like this anyway. I never really wear t-shirts out. And I have here all of my dressy clothes, like if there's anything like a special event or something I have to go to, then I have some. And I have my dresses here. I have some trendy jackets that I could just like throw on. This is one I actually just thrifted for, by the way. And then over here I have like this little section which is all of clothes I still haven't worn yet, and right here there's some new things and some leggings I haven't worn yet. Right here we have, of course, all of my stepdad's old jacket and his robe I'm never getting rid of. A couple of David's dress shirts in here. These are basically all of the shirts I'm now keeping. This was so much bigger. All of my onesies, because I can't decide. I really can't decide on those, which is weird because I'm trying to do the Marie Kondo way, but I keep like forgetting that I'm trying to do it that way, and I'm just really confused. Here we have like all of my work clothes. I can't show you guys because the logo is on there, but I have all my sweaters. This is now my new improved crop top section. A lot of them are gone. You guys can see there's a lot more black over here now, because I mostly just wear black clothing. I really do. Even in the summer, it's just like I still love my neon, my pink, obviously, like I still do, but I'm mostly like a black wearing girl, you know, like I just like to wear black clothes. Over here I've started to keep like my Fashion Nova and like my Tana Scandalous like outfits, like my two-piece outfits just like on hangers, and over here is like the smaller purses and like some flowy purses. Up here, again, I'm gonna save this and all of my shoes for another video because this is a pile of shoes right here, guys. We're gonna be doing that in another video. Hopefully I'm gonna do that one like February just because it's like a lot. Get back to work. I just want to show you guys the update of progress that I've been making. And it is now almost 2. So just over an hour I've done all that, and I'm very, very proud of myself. Can you hear David playing his video games right now though? Hey guys, ring light. 2-hour update. It has been 2 hours since I started this. Gooby. Yeah, my gooby girl. It is now 70 degrees outside. 70, gooby? Yeah, see, she knows. So it is 70 degrees out now. And I am officially done cleaning, reorganizing. It's actually nice because I found some feminine products because I didn't even know I had these. I think these might have been my sister's. I don't know. Somehow they were in a bag that I'm getting rid of. So in total, this is the pile of clothes that I have, not including this, but from where you guys see this leopard scarf over. This is everything that I am getting rid of. Donation, possibly selling to Plato's Closet. I don't know. I'm actually just gonna take all the Plato's Closet stuff in the other room, and I'm gonna put everything else in bags and just be done with it because I'm tired now. And honestly, it didn't take as long as I thought. And I also forgot to mention a couple things. I don't know if I did already earlier, but I already had a little pile going in here of stuff I was getting rid of, or stuff that I was just like over and like didn't want to deal with anymore, and just like didn't fit me, or like I hated, like they were too tight on me or something. That's what I usually do. Like it's kind of hard for me now to do these closet declutter videos or declutter videos in general, because I do get rid of things over time. Like if I put on a shirt and it's really tight or it's uncomfortable, then I will like get rid of it, or you know, whatever. To do these videos I have to like wait and wait and wait, and honestly that's part of the reason why I haven't been filming, is because it's giving me so much anxiety. So now I feel a little better, and as a bonus I have all these hangers now on the floor that I could put in my closet. Also decided I wanted to do some reorganization in here too, because I've been noticing I haven't been wearing all my clothes, and that's really been bothering me. So I decided to hang all of my jeans and leggings on hangers so that I can see all of them and I know what I have. And again, like I showed you guys earlier, t-shirts are now in here. I have tank tops. This drawer now, we have tank tops and PJs. Booby, get your hand out of there, or get your face out of there. The bottom drawer, I don't want to open it too much, but it has all of my sweatpants like it did before, and a couple other drawers that I did change because my sock drawer was really overflowing, so now it's not, and it's kind of nice. My jean shorts, all my high-waisted shorts have their own drawer up here, and then in this drawer right here is all of my bikinis, because I feel like they never got like a full chance to just have their own drawer, and I never, again, didn't know what I had. So this was actually very helpful. Everything else is pretty much going to be, again, I am still going to do a shoe and handbag declutter video, but I think I'm honestly going to wait until like maybe next month to do that, because I'm all beat, and I am doing another declutter video this month as well for you guys, so I'm very excited about that. And I do still have some clothes that I think I'm going to sell to Plato's Closet. I don't know, just let me know below. Does Plato's Closet take phone cases? Because I have a bunch of them that I just can't wear really anymore, or like I don't want anymore, and I'm looking to get rid of. Not the ones I have here, but I have some in the other room. But I think I am going to change my phone case again, because the velvet caviar case I got, I don't know, it's just it's not doing it for me. I might end up returning it, or I have to clean it again, which is really annoying. It makes me just want to go back to my butterfly case, because at least that one didn't turn different colors. David's playing video games with his friend on Xbox right now, and all I'm gonna do is probably pack all this in and ship out. But I know my closet doesn't really look much different than when I showed you guys earlier, and I feel better. I feel so much better. Like I know where everything is. I know where my clothes are. I know where my leggings and jeans are. I can go through them easier, because in drawers, like I had so many pairs, you guys, and so many pairs that I just wasn't wearing, that they were just getting so crammed in there, and it was just literally becoming the death of me because I was just so frustrated and I couldn't see everything I have, and now I can. So I'm really happy, and I'm gonna have a whole row of hangers going over here, so I'm also very excited about that. And I'm just really tired now, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Almost dropped you guys because I don't have a case on my phone, but I hope you guys enjoy this declutter video. I know it was kind of random and kind of all over the place, and I originally had the intent to do Marie Kondo style, but realizing early on, I was like, there's no way. I'm just gonna have to go through and do everything myself and just figure it out, and I'm just gonna have to do it my way, because if I don't, I'm gonna end up keeping everything, and I had a feeling that I was gonna keep everything, so, or most things. Being said, if you guys again want to see another declutter video like this video, and let me know, and all that kind of stuff. Also, I want to put at the end of this video, as I don't think I did in my other video, but I did make a post on my channel like a week or so ago. My giveaway is actually going to be ending January 28th, and you can enter one time, so please don't enter more than once, because I will not be able to keep track, and that's again not fair to everybody else who may have just entered one time, etc, etc. I really don't like that. I don't like people entering as many times as possible, because I feel like it just takes away from everyone else, and I feel like everyone should just have a fair chance, you know. That's always been me, even with Instagram giveaways, like with brands and stuff. Like, it really annoys me, because it's like, well, I have like 1 like 0.000000000 point, or like 0.000000001% chance, not even, or 0.5% chance, zero, no, yeah, you get it. Like, I have it's like a very slim chance, so I like everyone to have a fair shot with my giveaways. So with all that being said, I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And I don't know, it's 70 degrees outside. I have the window open. It's January. What is happening with the world? Okay, but I love you guys.